Hello my friend, how are you today? Today Ms. Widya would like to ask you to learn about the process of rain, or we call it also with water cycle. The cycle starts when water on the surface of the earth evaporates. It's because the sun hits the water source. The water will go up in the sky as a water vapor. We call it as evaporation process. Then the water collects as water vapor in the sky and they go together in the cloud. They are getting cold and getting heavy and we call it condensation. When the cloud cannot hold the water any longer, the cloud will turn into dark, gray, and ready to drop the water as rain. The water falls from the sky as rain or snow. We call it precipitation process. The rain and the snow will go back to the surface of the earth and then continue to go back to the river or back to the ocean. That's how the process of rain happens. Now I want you to try to tell the story of the water cycle to your mommy and to your daddy. Okay friend, thank you for listening. Happy learning. Bye bye.